Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jaxon.
And I'm Lina. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, we talk about weather every day, with friends, at work, at school, everywhere.
We'll learn simple words and friendly sentences.
Before we start, quick reminder, please like, follow, and share this podcast.
It helps us a lot, and it helps other learners too. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, discuss, then listen again. Let's start with easy weather words.
Listen. Hot, cold, sunny, rainy.
We often say, it's hot, it's cold, it's sunny, it's rainy.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. Just listen. Jaxon, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and hot.
Nice. I like sunny days.
Nice. I like sunny days.
And I said, I like sunny days.
Now repeat after us. It's hot.
It's hot.
Good job. Very clear.
Sometimes the weather is not sunny.
We can say, it's rainy. It's cold.
Let's listen again.
Lina, is it cold today?
Yes, it's cold and rainy.
Oh no, I need my jacket.
Cold and rainy. Not very fun.
But very good English practice.
Repeat with us. It's cold.
It's rainy.
Nice. You're improving already.
Now let's learn how to ask about the weather.
We can say, how is the weather?
Or, what's the weather like today?
Let's listen.
Hi Jaxon, how's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny. How about there?
It's a little cold here.
We can talk about weather in different places too. Now you try. How's the weather today?
Great answer. Even it's good is okay at A1 level.
We can say how we feel about the weather.
For example, I like this weather. I don't like cold weather.
Let's listen.
Do you like hot weather, Lina?
Yes, I do. I like hot and sunny days.
I don't like rain. I like sunny weather too.
We used I like and I don't like.
Very easy and very useful.
Repeat after us. I like sunny days.
I don't like cold weather.
Excellent. That sounds great.
Weather and clothes are good small talk.
We can say, I wear a jacket. I wear a t-shirt.
Let's listen.
It's cold today. What do you wear?
I wear a jacket and a hat.
It's hot here. I wear a t-shirt.
So easy, right?
Now repeat. I wear a jacket.
I wear a t-shirt.
Nice speaking. Good job. Now let's listen to a full real-life conversation.
Hi, Lina. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. How about there?
It's a little cold and windy.
Do you like this weather?
Not really. I like sunny days.
Me too. I wear a t-shirt today because it's hot.
Did you hear many weather words?
Sunny, warm, cold, windy, hot.
You can start many conversations with weather. It's friendly and easy.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud, okay?
How's the weather today?
Do you like this weather?
What do you wear today?
Amazing. Even short answers are perfect. Good job.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
It's hot. It's cold. It's sunny. It's rainy.
How's the weather today? I like this weather. I don't like rain.
And clothes. I wear a jacket. I wear a t-shirt.
Remember, simple English is strong English.
You're learning step by step, and that's perfect. We're proud of you.
Now, our community question for you. How's the weather where you are today? And what are you wearing?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy the weather.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.